Rob has a IoT business. He sells many IoT devices to his customers from different manufacturers. Be it home automation or smart logistics solutions, Rob has them all covered and can help his customers with smarter solutions. But when it comes to manage all these devices that he has sold or in his inventory, Rob still struggles with all the different web portals and apps that his manufacturers provided. And when it comes to managing the post-sale customer queries and problem solving, it becomes a nightmare. Just to find out the source of the problem. Is it a network issue? Has customer done something wrong with the settings? And what impact the issue may created? Is the privacy of customers still safe inside the network? Rob is concerned about this all the time. Introducing DreamzIoT, a cloud-based IoT platform with blockchain smart contract that offers complete data sensing, tracking, monitoring, and alerting IoT dealers like Rob. With predictive analysis and preventive measures for all devices from all manufacturers under a single platform. Rob can create his own branded and customizable dealer portal inside DreamzIoT platform and start adding his customers and all the devices he owns. No matter from which manufacturer he's buying, DreamzIoT M2M technology allows him to add any device, create custom rules, to communicate between devices from different manufacturer, and monitor the devices with smart widgets all at the same time. And that's not all of it. Like Rob has his own single platform, his customers also get their own access to the portal, via web, or via DreamzIoT Lite mobile app, that requires no download or installation. This helps his customers to manage and monitor all their devices on the go. With DreamzIoT edge computing technology, all their devices runs even when there's no network, and collect data to transmit when the network is available. This makes life really simpler for them, and for Rob too, as he now can set custom rules against all the devices to alert him as and when problem arises. DreamzIoT Job Tracker can create tasks automatically against all such alerts, and assign them to your employees in the platform. This helps Rob to prevent bad things from happening, by providing service even before his customer knew about it. Isn't it the next step in customer service? And more importantly, Rob is now never concerned with data privacy and security, because of DreamzIoT's layered protection, and blockchain smart contracts that prevents data loss, or manipulation by any third party. It also keeps log of every action, so that Rob knows what went wrong if something goes south. Rob has now a peaceful life, a very happy customer base, and planning to start reselling IoT devices under his own brand. No wonder. With DreamzIoT, he can easily do that too, and expand his business like never before. By 2020, it is predicted to have over 50 billion IoT devices all over the world, with a potential revenue over $490 billion. So become an IoT dealer today, like Rob, and embrace the power of DreamzIoT platform, and gear up your IoT business. DreamzIoT, platform for you, platform for connected world.